LED and LED assemblies are driving radical design changes. With this innovation comes manufacturing challenges. And while smaller components and shorter focal lengths may turn heads, they also turn those challenges into problems of heat and placement accuracy. That's why today's electronic manufacturer needs more than equipment to provide real value. It needs design know-how. At EBW Electronics, we know how to solve problems, like designing simplicity into automotive indicators, reducing the number of production steps and saving nearly 50% on assembly costs. Or re-engineering hand-soldered door cup lighting, plagued with warranty issues, into a streamlined turn-and-lock light pipe. We'll even develop additional assembly and testing capabilities needed to manufacture your new unique product. Like we did with our APTEC Assembly process, a new accurate placement technology of electronic components. Our APTEC Assembly process not only assures precise placement of the LED to the PCB, but also to the heat sink and then to the optic assembly as a whole. By aligning all these elements to critical reference markers, EBWE can deliver units that help customers address automotive safety issues caused by headlight glare and contributing directly or indirectly to better headlight safety ratings and evolving regulations. Developed for a specific customer application, APTEC Assembly process achieves manufacturing accuracy for LED, PCB, heat sink, and overall component placement that far exceeds industry norms. EBW Electronics' commitment to developing and investing in client-specific manufacturing solutions is just one more reason why it pays to get us involved in the early stages of your process. So go ahead and pursue your technology roadmap with confidence. Talk to EBW Electronics about your challenging LED application.